This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add money to your PayPal account. First, you'll want to log into your account securely. Once inside, look for the Wallet section, usually found on the main dashboard. From there, you'll see an option to transfer money. This is your gateway to topping up your balance. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience, ensuring you can manage your funds easily and efficiently. Let's get started with the next step. To add funds, you'll typically need a linked bank account. If you haven't already, you'll be prompted to link one by providing your bank's routing number and your personal account number. PayPal will then send 2 small deposits, usually less than $1 each, to your bank account within 1 to 3 business days. You'll need to confirm these amounts back on PayPal to verify your account, ensuring everything is secure for your transfers. Once your bank account is linked and verified, you can initiate the transfer. Select your newly linked bank account as the source of the funds. Then, simply enter the exact amount of money you wish to add to your PayPal balance. It's crucial to double-check all the transfer details, including the amount and the source account, before you confirm. This ensures accuracy and helps avoid any potential issues with your transaction. The funds typically arrive within 3 to 5 business days. Keep in mind a few important details about adding money. Transfers from your bank account to your PayPal balance are usually free of charge, which is great news. However, it's important to note that these transfers aren't instant. They typically take about 3 to 5 business days to process and appear in your account. Also, be mindful of any daily or monthly transfer limits that might be set by either PayPal or your bank to ensure a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.